Yo, welcome to Kusirik Boat Video Day. Mga kabog, mga tataron bago na akong musisyon, akapila lang ta kay atong gitarista nga si Dawkins, akong ato lang nga brothers basig nalanggot na ron sa Karuyan. Ang title diyan ni Ride to the Moonlight, pero before anything else, shout out sa day sa akong bagong follower si El Isra Backyard og si Sharsi Shashanti og si Ibanez Ronjom Salanao. O katong gusto mong pa-shout out katong mga bago na kong mga followers or mga viewers, comment na mo ubo sa video kung gusto mong pa-shout out. Kanta taron ang title ni Ride to the Moonlight, hinaot ko nga makarelate mo in 3, 2, 1. You keep on asking, keep on blaming, you're crying, you miss, keep on thinking, you're making disgrace. This is just a blaze to all will be missing, so let's fly. Set this to moonlight, let's fly. Ride to the moonlight, let's fly. Fly this tonight, this time we'll reunite, let's fly. Ride to the moonlight tonight. This ride will be waited, it's thrilled to awaited, and try to locate it. If you regret it, you're missing big glaze. One shot of a glass, and never turning it back, so let's fly. Set this to moonlight, let's fly. Ride to the moonlight, let's fly. Fly this tonight, this time we'll reunite, let's fly. Ride to the moonlight tonight. Your eyes should cross through sunset, this sight will be blindfolded. Stop asking, stop blaming, forget all mistakes. Forget your spirit and never ashamed out of the world. And on the later, erase your confuse, maybe be motivated. Cross and turn to embrace. Let's ride this thing to will be with it. Let's ride this thing will be with it. So let's fly, say this to moonlight, let's fly. Ride to the moonlight, let's fly. Fly this tonight, this time we'll reunite, let's fly. Ride to the moonlight tonight. Yo, pasensya lang natupit. Woo, wise practice good. Oh, mananawagan ko katong kinsa tong mga banda dira or mga bisarakir nga kung interesado lang magpa-compose i-PM lang ko. PM lang ko ninyo. Jan Galang. Just PM kung ganahan mo magpa-compose barato ra basta kamo. Pwede ra kay pambugas, rock and roll.